Anyways, hello. Oh wait, I forgot something. Be back. Hello, Psychos and Quanta, dude. I mean, Roop. Wait, I gotta mute my stream. I can hear myself. Okay, 5 in a row. I know. I'm just popping off today. I mean, not today. The past 5 days. My YouTube doesn't know what to do with me anymore. I'm just too popular. Life is hard, man. Anyways, how are all of you doing? Hopefully, great. I hope. Today, we're gonna be continuing the stream. New year, new you, Lamau. So true. I'm gonna. Oh, I think, sadly, I will probably just stream until I upload my first video, and then I'll probably not stream, because. Don't get me wrong, I like streaming. It's just that, I don't know, feels kind of useless to do, and sometimes there's like nobody. But sometimes there's Zykos and Roop, and that's enough for me. Heart emoji. Anyways, so last time I was doing Hightail, and today I was doing a lot of Hightail. So the result of that being that I barely learned anything about how to create entities, but that shouldn't deter you, because barely doesn't mean I didn't learn anything. Someone suggested me a pretty good system from what I've seen, so I'm gonna try making that. I'll see. New year, new mental issue. That's also true, but let's not be all pessimistic here. Wait, how good is my microphone quality? If I speak like this, is this better? Okay, I think it is. Just a bit. Documents, programming. So the way this new system works is basically the same way. Mom, I'm not playing video game. I'm studying how to make. So true, man. I played Hytale yesterday for 4 hours and today for 4 more hours because I was learning about game. First impressions, game, very pretty, but from gameplay perspective, it takes a while to do stuff. Like, an embarrassingly long time. So it kind of got annoying already for me. I don't know. There's probably like some other stuff I need to do, but I will most likely just end up dropping the game for like 2 months or a month and just let it cook in the pot for a little bit more, because it definitely feels like an unfinished project so far. Okay, why are the tabs only like 2 spaces? What is this? Okay, I don't care enough. Mom, let me buy more games. I need to research how they make story. You know, that is true. Actually, recently I got a crazy idea for a 3D game. I'm not going to be telling anything about it though. I'm just going to keep you on edge with it. Sorry. So basically the way this new system works is the exact same as before, but now instead of storing each entity as a different struct, which we store each entity in the same struct, and then store its special information in basically something. Which seems kind of stupid, but it's good enough. So, I'm gonna put this to screen right now, and we're just gonna implement it. The goal for today is to at least implement this. Also, what do you think about this amazing thumbnail I did for today? The green screen effect is very good. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it looks good. I don't preview my thumbnails before I use them, so I don't even know how they look on YouTube. They usually tend out to look worse, like more blurry, so I gonna have to work with that for a bit, but it's fine. Anyways, first things first. Let me just this and do derived any entity types like that. Oh, and everything instantly breaks. Why is that? Because this should not be using entity. Exactly. I'm gonna have a lot of errors right now, but that's all fine. Because now I can replace all of this code with rect is equal to entity.rect with game entities entity. Okay, even more errors now. Do it like this with derived being spider. Bam. Okay, it's still screaming at me. It's bomb. The thumbnail is awesome. You've oh thank you, Zook Geometry Dash. I appreciate the amazing support. You've been so nice to me today. If only there were more people like you in this world. Okay, let's see. What are the errors here? The bullet is incorrectly being spawned, so I'm just gonna entity, bam, and this is just gonna be part of bullet. Someone has suggested me this system. They're called like megastructs. Sounds cool. I'll see if it's actually a good system or not. And there are errors here. Okay, we're gonna ignore this for now. And wait, what? There's two? Haha, I can't believe this idiot Zook GD. Haha, how stupid. I wonder if Zook W Real and Zook GD are connected in any way, shape, or form. It couldn't be that. Haha, oh wait. I tried to read the same message twice. How foolish of me. And yes, let me uncomment all of this and try to fix drawing it first. How should I do this? Do we have a language for .thor though? No. It's still being developed from what I've heard. We're gonna get all the Greek gods in here. We gotta get .zeus as well. Also, look at Discord, how long does the playlist have to be? Oh my god, you're still going. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna let you go until you feel like you should stop. Because it's top 10 YouTubers, exactly. So, my bam entity dot rect dot x. Okay, I'm just gonna add a size to the entity, which is gonna be a vector 2. Oh no, he's gonna be Zook W Real. I know you're ill right now. If you're feeling sick, don't torture yourself. Please. Pretty please. Thank you. Yeah, we did that. Apply the size here. I'm sick. I know, you're a sick bastard. I sent sick music playlists. Oh! Bro got me good there. Bro got me good. Okay, okay. I guess you can keep giving me sick music suggestions. Drawing params is gonna be a struct. I'm just gonna do this to separate everything so it's just easier to use. So it's gonna contain the X and the Y offset of F32, and it's also gonna contain the size. And then the entity is gonna implement it. Biting nails emoji. Okay, let's see. With this system, I covered this guy, so I can delete that. I cover this. Yes. Let me in entity here do X offset equals 16. So I cover that. This is for drawing health bar for an entity. This is going to be universal. So, okay, let me delete this, and put this as universal. Bullet, where do I spawn bullets? Here. X offset is 80. So I covered that, that. Okay. And now with experience, I need to check if entity dot derived is equal to experience. Can I do this? I cannot do this. Type of, is that even a thing? Or is it type ID of? Okay. Type of this is equal to that. Okay. Yeah, this is just for testing purposes. Where's my bash script? Here. And it's not saying anything. Okay, how are you doing? Okay, I gotta open the Odin documentation again. Odin overview. Also, I forgot to do this. Wait, let me see. Does this... We got music from the famous game Deltarune, I think. Metal Crusher, no, that's Undertale. Okay. I'm sorry for making such awful mistake. Okay, how do I check if union is equal to something? Terrible. Yeah, I'm gonna get cancelled now. For 0.5 seconds, I confused Undertale song with Deltarune song. That's just not feasible. Okay, that works fine. Okay, it's not an expression but a type, so if you compare it to type... What? Yeah, I'm comparing two types. Now the Undertale and Deltarune fanboys will come and ruin things. I'm just waiting for them. I'm already prepared. I got traps set up. Like Zook Geometry Dash, for example. He's not gonna be able to get to me. Nothing. I love you, Zook. What do you expected? I haven't played those games in like forever. Wow, imagine. I don't even think I fully beat Deltarune. Oh, not Deltarune. I never even played Deltarune. Undertale. Cheese Trap. I'm trying to understand what that means. But I'm just not smart enough right now. Okay, type of experience as well. Is this gonna work? Man, this Odin system of types is just so confusing. Like, why can I not compare that? Okay. What if I... Does the print line work still? Print... Does this still work? Okay, it does. Let me check out entity. Okay, let's see. Derived from spider experience. Okay, so it does exist. Then why can I not check it? If entity dot derived is equal to experience. What? Oh, got him. Okay. Experience is not an expression but a type. Okay, is there like expression? No. I'm so confused. Okay, maybe I already implemented it here. Let's see. Entity xp is going to be equal to entity dot derived experience. Why cannot put a reference? Oh, because there is no reference here. Okay. Glad almost joined your stream. What do you mean he almost joined my stream? What stopped him? What? Is the thumbnail too much for him? Oh my god. Zook W just keeps messaging me. It will never stop. He's boost. Yeah, what? How do you even know that he almost joined my stream? I would not believe a celebrity is gonna join my stream. Never. Oh wait, Zook is already here. Sorry, Zook. What is illegal? What illegal stuff do they do? Invalid type assertion from entity types to expression. But where am I doing that as? Shut up, Stella. I'm playlisting you stuff. You're my bad. Okay. Thank you. Just so you know, I'm not going to be taking all of those songs. I'm just going to be looking at them and deciding which ones I like. Also, you have been doing this for the past 21 minutes, if my math is correct. Okay, let's see. What's the issue? Invalid type assertion, anti-types to experience. Why does that happen? Is it because, oh my god, I can only do this if I know that it's experience? Can I do like, this is a maybe of experience pointer? Oopsie daisy. Is this gonna work on your ass? Nope. Oh my god, I'm really disliking Odin right now. It's like, it's almost like it's trying its best not to have a good entity system. I'm not joking. I asked on the Odin server, like, do you have people any suggestions for me how to do entities? And everyone was just like arguing, and everyone was saying, oh yeah, this method is not good, and this method is not good. Like, it feels like there's no good method. Like, what is this? Odin is not with me, exactly. I expect payment in equal amounts as your moderator payment. You're not my okay, you're moderator on my... Okay, I'm gonna pay you as much as you pay me, okay? We good? That's what I meant, okay. I'm thinking about more programming right now, okay? Don't dude me, okay? I'm not fully trying to understand the messages. Okay, that was a mean thing to say. I'm not fully trying to understand your messages specifically. I love you though. Wait, let me... This is a message of approval. Do this. Wait. Is that supposed to be a heart or is that supposed to be a heart breaking? Did bro just heartbreak me? Wait, I gotta check this. Oh, it means love. Oh my god, it's like HTML code. Wait, but that makes no sense. Okay, I don't... Okay, now Zook has started to scream caps right now. Screaming, sorry. Sylvian strobe. Okay, what the hell is it? I'm gonna check this on my other screen. Okay, I'll look into it, Zook. I'll look into every single song you sent me. Don't worry. Unions are the most useless thing created by man, let me tell you that. I hate them so much. What is this rating system? Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this, I guess. Anyways, I tried to avoid it, but apparently you can't avoid it. Um... Bam. Case, experience. So I need to make this partial. In case it's experience, I make their X offset. Oh wait, I need to make this a reference. Like, people get mad at Rust for, like, their borrow checker. Honestly, the pointer is not much better. It just gets so confusing, complicated. Well, Rust is always confusing and complicated. Okay, Zook just keeps sending me stuff. I wonder if you can do it for as long as the stream lasts. Zook, you still gotta send me stuff for 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's like a challenge, you know? No, never. Okay. I might try to learn the Quake BCP format, make a game, Quanta Kill. Why do you want to do specifically the BSP format? You should look into... Wait, do you know what... Wait, can I... Yeah. I already have a window open. Trenchwood. Wait, is that what it's called? Trench Broom. Okay, Trench Broom. You should look into this. I don't know if it does BSP formats. Maybe. BSP. Okay, it supports a lot of different formats. You should look into Trench Broom. It's like one of the best level editors for 3D games, which is free. Let me send it in stream chat. Alright, it's about to be 30 minutes. My cue to leave once more. Kinda sucks, streams always when it... Bro, okay, I'm gonna try my best to stream earlier. Sorry, man. There's also an engine called FGEQW. It's like a Quake engine or something. What is this? Let me go to images. Is it just a tool to make mods for Quake? All good though, stream whenever you want. I'll just show up for as long as I can before I ultimately wither and sleep. I can stream earlier, at least now, right? I can, so tomorrow I'm gonna try and stream earlier, just for you. So you can get like those 10 more minutes of exclusive Stefan content. Okay, Y offset gonna be... Okay, so I did that. Yo, 10 extra minutes, let's go. And bye-bye, man. Have a good night's sleep. Oh yeah, wait, I wanted to check the thing by Roop about GZ Doom having AI code. I didn't look at it. Wait, let's see how long it is. Can I give it... Oh, it's 12 minutes long. Okay, now I'll watch it off stream. Ah. Okay, so the drawing of sprites should be all fine now, I think. Let me put the experience, like... rect is equal to 0, no, like 100, 0, 16, no, wait, it's 8, no, it's 4, oh my god, making every single mistake possible. With size of 4 as well. Okay, it's drawing, that's good. Everything is being drawn properly. Now we gotta go back to the update function. There's a new port, UZDoom. Oh yeah, you already showed it to me. But I don't get it because UZDoom is also promoted as one of the main ports on their official site. So how's it oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna look into the video. I don't want to be speaking about stuff I don't know right now. Thinker, Walker, Dreamer, Scatter by Frams. It's so good. Okay, thank you, Zook, for sending that message. I was sure that every song you were sending was good, but apparently only Thinker, Walker, Dreamer, Scatter by Frams is. Good to know, though. Yo, Undertale, let's go. I actually never played that other game called Deltarune, so I'm done now. No, okay, no, don't be done. Come on, come on. I know you have more in you. You have only been going for 34 minutes. Okay. Goodbye, Staliogen, aka Step Forward. You said 2 of my names without saying my... Okay. Where are these... Where are you getting these emojis from? Are they like YouTube? Oh, wait. Yeah. Yo, fire. Time to do this code. Okay. Okay, that was just for testing purposes. Done. It's a fork. Wow, I forgot to press enter earlier. Okay. That's so funny. Oh, that's a banging song. It's called Crickets. Why is it even the playlist? Okay. So we got the bullets. All good. I'm also gonna have a... Crickets MP3, exactly. Okay, the biggest problem I have is that I can't just like do this. Also, I gotta remove the logging or my PC is gonna crash. Because surprisingly, logging is such an expensive thing to do. Or just printing to the command line. Um, Wait, where am I logging? Oh, I'm printing a line. Here. Like, why isn't the position being set to 0? Okay, I gotta quickly ask on the server and see if anyone actually has any suggestion. Ah, no, never mind. Everyone already forgot about the question I asked. It would take too much time to do it, and I'm pretty sure Ginger Bill is on the edge of banning me. Odin himself. Okay, I don't even need this. Let's see if this works. Okay, if bullets. Can I do this? Okay, another thing I can do then is I can have a handle to an entity. Entity handle, which is a procedure. Oh, not a procedure, a struct, which just holds a reference. Is there const pointers? Wait, let me check. I don't believe there aren't const pointers. Constant pointer? What was it called? I remember there was some name for it. It's probably some in the formats. Where is it? Types. Is it here? Nope. Pointers. Ah. Pointers. Maybe it's in the basic types. Okay, nope, it's not. Oh wait, I can just check how something else does it. Let's see, texture 2D. In GPU texture, cool, it doesn't show it, amazing. So entity handle, which is gonna contain an entity pointer to entity. That's it. That's the whole purpose of the entity handle. And I'm also going to do it using it. So here I'm gonna actually save an entity handle where the entity is equal to a reference to entity. So all of these are references, which is not a good thing to do probably. So I'm gonna have to do a function kill entity, which is a procedure of entity getting the entity handle. Wait, I technically don't even need the handle. I can just save it as a... Wait, can I? Does this allow me to save it as a dynamic entity pointer? Okay, it does. So in that case, I can just do this. Okay, and in that case, I do this and I do free entity. Okay, nothing is being drawn. Is it because the instant... So I need to make entity be equal to this, basically. And then I put it into here. Oh my god, okay, so this is not gonna work then. Oh wait, I can keep this. Man, oh my god. I'm really not liking this Odin language. Can I... Okay, I can't do it that way as well. Let's put it back to entity. And delete this as well. Is it back to drawing? Okay. So another thing I can do is get an array of... Oh my god. Honestly, that's just the only thing in my head, because I have zero idea how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna... I found that guy, Odin Games. Where is he? Okay, Odin Lang. I forgot that this guy... I'm not a huge fan of him, but... home... No way you don't like OP, nope. Handles. Okay, this. What is a handle? A handle is often just an index and a generation. The index field is the index. The generation is used to make sure that the thing index is to the same thing as when the handle was acquired. Okay, so it's this file. Okay, let's see what this does. Handle is a struct handle array. Okay. Handle array clear. Okay, handle it. Okay. Bro, this is not an explanation. Entity handle, distinct handle. This still doesn't solve the problem I have. Oh my god, this naming is awful. What does it do with the entity handle? Oh my god. Language of the better C. Of course. What is this code? This is all for storing a pointer in a struct, by the way. Maybe I'm just not understanding it. What is this for? HT. It's like everywhere. It's the free list. So when I add to the list, it's like he was trying to make this the most unreadable shit ever. Okay, let me zoom in on this so it's like easier to read. It expects the type used in this case entity to contain a field called handle of type entity handle. You can get fetch entities using. Let's see what Ginger Bill cooked up here. DOM handle map. At least this has freaking variable names. Okay, let's see. A dumb handle map. So I create a handle map. Entries. It's a entry of T. Generation. I still don't get what's the point of the generation. The generation you use to make sure that the thing at index is still the same thing as when the handle was acquired. What is the generation set to? Oh wait, why are there two structs with exact... Okay, wait, no, this is the... Okay. Does that have it? Handle map. What is the point of generation? Okay, let's see. What is a handle? Maybe I should read on this. What is a handle? Okay, programming, because otherwise I'm gonna get useless results. Yes, it is so much better. Roop, Mr. Roop. Handles can be implemented in different ways. Typically, they are not references in the C++ or C# sense. Okay, let's see this. Stack Overflow, come on, before you die out, help me out here. For example, in Windows, if you create a window, the OS creates an object that represents... Okay, is there any mention of generation? Okay, there is. And where is it? Oh, okay. It has to do with generative AI, okay. Yeah, okay, so I do know what a handle is. This just uses the same name for something which I think works the same way, but just behind the back works absolutely differently. Okay, if the index... Wait, so I do get... I get a handle, but... Okay, this is a dumb example. Maybe this one is better. So we have a handle map. Okay, we have a handle, which has a generation. And an index. Oh my god. This seems so overcomplicated. Values. Okay. Sparse indices. For what purpose do we need sparse indices here? What are sparse indices? Okay. Manage options, don't agree, don't... Oh wait, can I just... Okay, never mind, I can't. Don't agree, don't agree, don't agree. No, no. Nope, 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 nope. Confirm choice. Ordered index maintains sorted index entries. Usually dense or both. Use case binary search on sorted keys. Okay. I know that. Matches physical record order can be non-unique. Based on primary key, records are... Okay. Let's see. Sparse index entry for every record. Fast lookups, small databases. Entry for first record in each block. For every search value in data file, there is an index record. For very few search value in a data file, there is an index record, hence the name sparse index. Okay, what's the advantages of dense? Efficient for range queries. I saw that Rust has closures. Alright, I'm moving to Rust. Okay. Whatever makes you move to Rust, I guess. Good for frequently queried fields. Space requires more memory and disk space to store the index. Not optimal for huge tables. For very large tables, a multi-level indexing or B+ tree might be preferred. Faster record access. Different direct lookup for every search key. Wait, I don't get what's the point though. It's still the same amount of data stored. It's just that A now stores the index of A and B, instead of A storing index for A and B storing index for B. Efficient. It is efficient for range and equality queries. No need to scan blocks. High storage overhead of 1 index entry per second. Per record. Sorry, not per second. Maintenance is costly. But here it wasn't 1 index per entry. Maintenance is costly. Every insert delete requires index update. But that's the same as here. Space issue, less suitable for very large dataset. So basically both of these suck. They're the same thing. What? The index size is larger in dense index. In sparse index, the index size is smaller. Time to locate data in index table is less. Don't use geeks for geeks. Okay. Oh, MongoDB, we cannot trust these guys. No, that's AI. Frick that. IBM. Okay, that's some SQL stuff. A sparse syntax is a data structure technique used in database to enhance data retrieval operations, which maintains an index entry for every database record. Sparse index only has entries for a subset of database records. And then for certain types of lookups, it allows for efficient handling of large amounts of data, managing the balance between storage space and data retrieval speed. Yeah, I can see that some articles don't make sense. A type of database index that maintains an entry for every database record. A blend of data lake and data warehouse allowing for both structured and unstructured data. I am so confused on what this is. This doesn't have a sparse index. Bill's example is a bit more complicated, but a bit more efficient. It doesn't have to loop over all items to skip unoccupied holes. So it's used when there might be messages in the data, like some indexes just don't have any data to them, so you skip over them. But don't they just stay there forever then, if you just keep skipping over them? Oh my god. ECS Odin. This survives without a whole entity component system survives without sparse indexes. Again, I'm not mad at sparse index, it's probably a good thing. I'm just mad at how this guy makes tutorials basically like, okay, here you go, this code, now paste it into your project and use it. No need to understand it, just use it. Create. Oh, these are examples. Okay, let's see, create entity. So it creates a context first. Let me. This must be very old to use. Oh wait, no, what? What is a raw dynamic array? Okay, I'm just gonna leave everything here. I'm gonna ponder for like ages and ages until I find some solution to this problem. I will most likely look into some ECS system and say frick it. I hate Odin. Cause like from what I've seen so far, people don't like when you use OOP in Odin, and people don't like when you use ECS in Odin. So what? Okay, wait, there's something here. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna look into an ECS. If I don't find anything promising in that department, I'll see. If I don't find anything promising, I'm gonna let you know, people, in Discord, and most likely not stream for a few days. Because big things are coming up, like nothing and nothing. So, I guess thanks, Roop, for staying here through me rumbling on about this bullshit. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.